Continental Film Processing. From the film to the finished window. To get window profiles performing at their best, we've developed the patented Cool Colors films. This is how the films are applied to your window. Our TechProfil films are supplied to the processor as a master roll in widths of 660 or 1,320 millimeters. Our typical master roll length is 500 meters. Something to remember, the film doesn't have any self-adhesive properties. The laminating process is what adheres it to the profile, but there are still a few things to be done first. Before processing, the roll and the laminating components should be stored dry and free of dust at a room temperature of 20 to 25 degrees Celsius for at least 24 hours. Then the processor cuts the master roll on a machine to the required width. Precaution is required. Overstressing the film in the cutting process can damage the film. Then the actual process begins. The laminating process is usually done in 4 steps. 1. Apply primer. 2. Dry primer. 3. Apply adhesive. 4. Laminate. In the first step, the liquid primer is applied to the profile by means of a felt that is attached to a flexible hose system that the primer travels through to keep the felt lubricated. The felt pre-treats the profile surface by removing residues and slip additives. The profile is ready for the next processing step. Drying zone, infrared heaters or hot air blowers dry the primer off the profile and heat it up to the required temperature. The drying zone must be in accordance with the manufacturer's specifications. Adhesive application. The adhesive is applied to the back of the film as a thin layer. The quantity and processing temperature must be aligned to the material used. At Continental, we test the suitability of adhesives from various manufacturers for our TechProfil films. Our technical service department can help answer any questions you may have. Lamination. Finally, the film and substrate are brought together. The film is laminated on the profile by using a sequence of rollers replicating the shape of the profile. To prevent adhesion, the laminated profiles should be stored at room temperature for at least 24 to 48 hours before further processing. Perfect! Then let's start. After cutting, welding, and assembling, the newly coated windows are ready to face the challenges of everyday life. For further information and production details, please contact our technical service.